Gold and silver prices rose alongside shares of major American oil companies Monday morning after President Donald Trump said he intends to send U.S. oil firms into Venezuela to quote unquote fix the country's infrastructure and tap into its rich oil reserves days after capturing Venezuelan President Nicolás Maduro. Spot gold prices rose 2.1% over the last day, while silver jumped 5.2%, and gold futures rallied more than 2.3% as silver futures surged 7.6%. Gold and other precious metals are often viewed as a haven investment during periods of geopolitical uncertainty, in which investors turn to the metals as an alternative to the US dollar. Chevron, the only major U.S. firm permitted to pump and export oil from Venezuela, jumped 5.4%, while competitors ExxonMobil advanced 2% and ConocoPhillips rallied 5.6% as trading opened Monday. Shares of oilfield services firm SLB surged more than 8.2%, while Halliburton and Baker Hughes rose 8.3% and 5% respectively. While speaking to reporters on board Air Force One on Sunday night, Trump said the U.S. was quote unquote in charge of Venezuela and is prepared to carry out another strike if the interim government does not behave. The president stated that his administration plans on having, quote, the big oil companies go in and they're going to fix the infrastructure and they're going to invest money, end quote, explicitly noting that the U.S. government would not incur any cost. When questioned about corporate interest, Trump asserted that basically all of them want to participate. Despite the president's discussion of U.S. oil companies making significant investments in Venezuelan infrastructure and oil production, the companies themselves have been notably quiet. Chevron, for instance, issued a brief statement over the weekend to multiple outlets, emphasizing that its, quote, focus remains on the safety and well being of our employees as well as the integrity of our assets. ConocoPhillips told Reuters that it's quote unquote monitoring developments in Venezuela and added, quote, it would be premature to speculate on any future business activities or investments. For more on this story, check out the article at the link in the description.